If working harder was a secret to success, wouldn't every exhausted person would be rich by now? The truth is, high achiever doesn't work harder, they work smarter. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve more by doing less with actual strategies that work. For years, we have been told that work harder, grind 24/7, sacrifice your sleep, and hustle your way to success. But have you ever noticed that the people who say this kind of thing are usually the person who are always burnt out and have not actually been made something big or are never successful? Now look at the people who have made it big. They don't look exhausted, they look in control, and this is how you can also look in control. Step 1 is the 80-20 rule. Do less, get more. The 80-20 rule, which is Pareto principle, says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort, which means you're probably spending a lot of time on things that actually doesn't require your time, that is actually not making a big difference. Let me explain you through some examples, which would be studying smarter, not harder. Let's say you have your exams and you have to cover 10 chapters. All right. So, from old method, what you're going to do is you're going to give equal time and equal efforts on each and every chapters, which after some times you're going to feel overwhelmed and you may forget some things, right? By 80-20 rule, you're going to check and analyze your previous exam papers, and then you're going to realize that 80% of the questions come from 3 or 4 important chapters, and now you're going to study that 3 and 4 chapters thoroughly, very deeply, which means you're going to get more marks by just studying less. Example 2 is capsule wardrobe. Instead of buying expensive clothes and wasting all of your money, what you can do is you can spend 20% of your budget on basic pieces and statement pieces. Then you can mix your clothes with your existing one and you can have more outfit ideas. Small spend, big impact. You will get 80% of new ideas to wear an outfit just by spending 20% of your money on basic clothing. Step 2 is the 2-minute rule. Ever felt like you have so much to do, so much work pending, but you just do nothing? That is because your brain hates big tasks. And the trick? 2-minute rule. If a task takes 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Like sending an email, clearing your desktop, or replying to a message. Don't put it off, just do it right now. What it does is it clears your mental space so you can focus on more bigger and important tasks. Step 3 is say no. The most successful people knows that saying yes to a distraction is a no to their own goal. Saying no is not rude, it's a necessity. Imagine this. You are a student and you have been invited in a group study. Instead of saying yes and going to that group study where people are gossiping, you can just stay home, you can practice active recalling, you can study your and actually score higher than them who are gossiping in that group study and wasting their time there. Instead of helping someone with their dramas, you can focus on things in your life, your priority in your life. You can work out, you can meditate, you can invest your time in eating healthy. You can improve yourself instead of trying to improve them who are not going to listen to you at the end. Saying no isn't selfish, it's choosing what actually serves you. Step 4 is energy management versus time management. Work when you are at your best. Forget time management. It's about energy management. Some people focus is best in morning while some at night. Don't force yourself to work when you are drained. Work when you have energy. Here's the actionable step. For the next 3 days, track your energy level and find your peak energy level and work on that time on important tasks. As a student, what I do is at night I can't study much, and even if I'm studying or learning something, I would forget the next morning. So what I do is at night I practice maths because it's problem solving and it's keep my brain more involved. So I do maths at night, and at morning, like early morning, I do theories, I study, I learn, because at morning my brain is very sharp and I can remember things for a really long time. So at morning I do theories and at night I do maths. Also, I always script at night only, because I don't know what motivation comes at night. I find more versatile ideas. I find so much solutions at night only. So I write scripts at night because I know my energy level. At night, I like to write scripts. At morning, I learn things. So likewise, you can just find yours as well, and you can work in accordance with you, because every human being is different and energy level of theirs are also different. Step fifth is create system. Stop relying on willpower. Willpower fades, but system stays. If you're constantly struggling to stay productive, it is because you are relying on motivation instead of system. For example, instead of deciding at morning, should I work out today? And if yes, then what exercise do I do? Instead of doing this, set a non negotiable system which says that on Monday I'm going to do this kind of exercise, on Wednesday I'm going to do this exercise, on Friday I'm going to do this exercise. So you are exercising 3 times a week and you are not stressing yourself in morning, which means less stress, more result. And if you want to know how systems are built, how you can build your own system, there's a separate video on my YouTube channel and you can just go and watch it. It's very effectful. So these were the 5 tricks that I wanted to share with you guys, and if you have tried any of this, comment down below how it is working for you. And if you like this video, like this video. If you want to watch more videos from my end, subscribe to my channel, and till then, bye.